Disclaimer: the content in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. St. Charles, Illinois, on December 1st, 2024, a 911 caller reported seeing 41-year-old Daniel H. Escalera wielding a chainsaw entering River Glen of St. Charles, a senior living facility.
Hello?
He went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree.
It went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
This one with the pillars?
Yes.
The white pillars? Okay. Can you do me a favor and just hang out here for a second? Okay.
The St. Charles police were dispatched, the first officer to arrive at the scene.
How long ago did he go in there? Okay. Okay. Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know. He came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to witness.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling. I can't.
It's on floor.
He went that way.
Unit's incoming. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground.
When you're there, someone be on St. Charles.
Get back. Hey, drop. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Want a taser point.
Oh my god.
Hey, drop it. I got one taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it.
Subject in the front lobby.
You want to leave? Yes.
Step it up.
I'm not leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up.
Where's my?
Drop it.
I just want my wife, man. I just want.
Listen, man.
I don't know.
Take it forward. Hey. Hey, right here. He's right here.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh shit. I got him.
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. River Glen, St. Charles.
Drop it!
Avenue.
Get him over.
Road Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all special attention St. Charles units. Copcam dispatching a shots fired at 955 Northwest Avenue, River Glen, St. Charles. Responding to acknowledgement EPA.
Watch out. Move your. Hey, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here.
Gotcha.
Roll medics. Hey, right here. He's right here.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh shit. I got him.
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. River Glen, St. Charles. 955 Northwest Avenue. 955 Road Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all Irish units. Special attention St. Charles units. Copcam dispatching a shots fired at 955 Northwest Avenue, River Glen, St. Charles. Responding to acknowledgement EPA.